Hello. Totally stoked about this race. It's gonna be really fast and fun. 3 crazy corners, but not too crazy. And fast, fast, fast. Feel really good. My legs are getting warmed up right now. Do a little spinaroo with some efforts. Open them up a bit.
Riders ready. Set. Go!
We're underway!
Oh man, it was fast. It was really fast. Everyone was right where they needed to be to protect me and keep me in. We had great communication the whole time. We all made it. No one got cut. And we think that Lindsay got 15th, top 20. So we maintained her overall #1 GC for amateur jersey. Yeah!